Hey there, I'm Luke the Cooking Camper. Here is Zena the Glamper Camper. Today we're camping at about 6,800 feet in the Prescott National Forest just south of Prescott. We're about to jump into the Cooking Camper and make some white queso gnocchis. Now to start out this recipe, we're just gonna gather our ingredients. We've got processed white queso cheese, unsalted butter, potato gnocchi, extra creamy oat milk, pepper jack cheese, vegetable broth, and we've got a delicious spice mix here. Let me show you how I made it. We are going to do a teaspoon of onion powder, half of a teaspoon of garlic powder, half of a teaspoon of New Mexican ground green chilies, and half of a teaspoon of smoked paprika. Now we're just going to take our vegetable broth and we are going to dump the entire container into our pan. We're just gonna add some of our extra creamy oat milk, and we will want to turn on our cooktop, and you can do it on about a medium high, and we will want this to come to at least a simmer. Now while we're waiting for our mixture to come to a simmer, we can just prep our processed cheese. And to do that, you'll just cut it in half and then in half again. Now our mixture has come to a simmer. We will uncover that and drop in our gnocchi. Now you will cook these according to the package directions. So we will just stir those around and they will start floating once they're finished. We'll just take our pepper jack and we will just put it directly into the spice mixture. So our gnocchi have been boiling for about 3 minutes, and as you can see, they are now floating up at the top. Now we are just going to scoop those out. Now there is a lot of liquid left over. That is because we needed to give the gnocchi proper room to cook. So we will be taking it out. You'll just take some of this cheese, and then we're also going to take our butter. Just stir that in. So now over here, this first block is almost melted, so we will just add in this, and then we can also dump in the pepper jack with those spices. This is what it looks like after about 10 minutes. So we will just put our gnocchis back in there, and now we can just serve that right up. Here is our finished white queso gnocchi soup. We hope that you can try out this recipe. If you liked it, make sure to like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. We hope you can get out and enjoy nature and food as much as we do. Have a great one.